Check out this Outdoor Accents DIY pergola kit. This kit has all the hardware you need to build a stunning, strong, and safe pergola. Just add the lumber of your choice and you can completely transform your outdoor space in just one weekend. Hey everyone, Jen Woodhouse here, and I am so excited to introduce a brand new product from Simpson Strong Tie. The kit includes 4 adjustable post bases, 8 L strap ties, 4 angles, and structural wood screws and hex head washers. This is part of the Outdoor Accents Avant Collection, which has this beautiful black powder-coated finish, and I love the clean lines and chamfered corners. It's going to look so great in this space. The structural fastener and hex head washer combo resembles a bolted connection, but it is super simple to install. You just drive it in like a screw, and there's no pre-drilling required. The kit includes building plans and a cut list to guide you through the entire process. Just scan the QR code that's right on the box. First thing we need to do is attach the post bases to the concrete pad. We're using Simpson Strong Tie's Titan HD anchor bolt, and we're going to use a hammer drill to drill the holes into the concrete. Now, depending on how thick your concrete pad is, you'll want to use the appropriate length anchor bolt. Mark the drilling depth with some tape. Then add your post base. The base has this innovative opening that allows you to adjust and move the post base exactly where you need it. So set that in place, add the bearing plate, and use an impact driver or a socket wrench to drive the anchor bolt into the concrete, securing the post base in place. This is a standoff post base plate. It'll keep the post an inch above the concrete so that the wood is not in direct contact with standing water. Now that the post bases are installed, it's time to add the posts. Now we have a strong and stable foundation for our pergola. All right, now that the posts are up, it's time to attach the beams. It's going to come together really easily using the L strap ties. The knee braces are cut at a 45-degree angle on each end. So you're going to attach the knee braces with the structural fastener and hex head washer as well, about 85 inches from the ground. And there you have it. We were able to quickly and easily build this gorgeous pergola with Simpson Strong Tie's new Outdoor Accents DIY pergola kit. And just to show you how customizable this pergola is, we added an inexpensive outdoor shade cover by attaching it to the top beams. Or if you want a more traditional look, you can add rafters. We used a jigsaw to cut the curve on our 2x6 rafters. And here's a helpful tip. Since the sun moves east to west, run your rafters north and south, spacing them about 5 inches or less for maximum shade. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe for more DIY projects and home renovations. To learn more about the Outdoor Accents DIY pergola kit, visit go.strongtie.com/pergola kit. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Jen Woodhouse, and I will see you in the next video.